I'm Dennis Purvis with the Oklahoma State Department of Education with Truths to Teachers. I'm going to go over some things that are going to help you be successful with the Oklahoma General Education Test under the certification examinations for Oklahoma educators. Under the CEOE website, make sure you select tests and select the OGET. There is a new OGET replacing the 074. That is the 174. Then prepare and then view preparation materials under preparation for the test. Preparation materials under the test content, study guide, reference material, computer-based test tutorials, and school report explanation. There will be 100 multiple choice questions and 1 constructed response critical thinking question. You will be allowed 4 hours to complete the entire test. There will be 240 points for the total test in order to pass this test. 38% will be written communication, 26% will be math, 16% is applied research and literacy. 20% of the weighted test is constructed response. The constructed response test must be organized, focused, coherent, and specific. You should take a specific position, use reasoned response, support your examples, use effective sentences, good punctuation, good sentence structure, and good sentence capitalization. More tips. Be sure to refer to the CEOE website under test taking strategies. Look at the area under the day of the test under CEOE for information. Review sample selected response questions. Review sample writing assignments. Review the mathematics definitions and formulas. Review what is on the test. There are OGET test preparation guides available at your library. Now, they may be the older tests, and they have all of the old categories on it, but you just need to focus on the math and English grammar portions if it has the old 074 versions out there. On the CEOE website, you're going to go to tests. Under tests, you're going to the 174 version. The 174 version is the one that has replaced the 074. You're clicking on the 174 version, and under 174, what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to the preparation materials under prepare. So view the preparation material available for the test. There, take a look at the framework. Under the framework, it'll actually tell you what's going to be on the test. So you go through each area, and it'll tell you the breakdown of what's going to be on the test. Furthermore, we'll take a look at what's on the test. This tells you what area has what weight on each of the test areas. Like I explained before, it tells you how long you have to take the test, what the passing score is, it tells you the competency areas, and it explains a little bit about the constructive response area. There will be some sample test question areas. It tells you the structure. It even gives you the answer for some of these test question areas for the multiple choice. On the writing assignment, it explains that you have 300 to 600 words on the constructive response area. It gives an example of a strong constructive response, the rationale, and samples for weak constructive response areas. There is a 1 to 4 point scoring guide on this. Read this carefully. This is going to help you out a lot. There's also a computer-based testing tutorial that you're going to want to review before you take the test. This will save you a lot of time. You can download the CBTs for this as well before you go in, so you can get a lot more comfortable with the way the CBTs are set up prior to going into the testing area. The mathematic definitions and formulas that you see here will also be provided for you on the day of the test. This will actually be on the testing guide when you take your test. Your school report is a breakdown on how the test is going to be scored. Hopefully, this will make you feel a lot easier about what you need to do prior to taking the test, how the test is scored, how the test is broken down, and how the percentage of each weighted area is on the OGET. Hopefully, I've given you everything you need to be successful in completing the Oklahoma General Education Test. Go to www.ceoe.nesinc.com to go to the testing area for the certification examination for Oklahoma educators.